What's up? It's Tyler time. Okay, so I have a little problem. Let me show you what's up. For one, these drum heads are really old. They need to be tuned and replaced actually, but that's not what I'm gonna focus on today. No, today, this guy right here has seen better days. My plan was to take this slightly less janky beater head from this old pedal I found that doesn't work and slap it onto my pedal. The problem is this rod is slightly too big to fit in that pedal. But where there's a will, there's a way, and where there's a problem, solutions can be found. So with this Work Sharp Knife and Tool Sharpener Can Onion edition, I am just going to remove a little bit of the end of this here, grind it down, so hopefully it'll fit. Let's try. Safety first, kids. We're gonna go with the heavy belt. Let's remove the guard here. Comes right off. All right. That's not good to go. I don't know what is. Try to get it nice and smooth all the way around, and my place is a mess, but that's okay. First I'm gonna grab the drum key. It's kind of a tongue twister. Gonna grab the drum key. Gonna grab the drum key. Can you say that 5 times fast? I'm gonna grab the drum key, gonna grab the drum key, gonna grab. Right, out with the old, in with the new. All right, let's see if it fits. Try it out. Oh, okay. We've got a little bit, yeah. It's close, it's getting there. It's just a little bit more and I think we'll be good. All right, you know what they say. Second time's the buzz. That's not what they say. Second time's the charm. Here we go. It's like reverse Excalibur. It's like, ooh, can I replace the sword back into the, yeah, look at that, baboosh, it's kaboosh, and that's where it stops. So that's about as far up as I needed to go. Just kind of grinded down the end until it would fit. Oh, that's exciting. All right, let's hit it. Just got to tighten up the bolts. Just gotta grab the drum key. Gotta grab the drum key. Gotta grab the drum key. All right, let's test it. Ooh, it's nice. Sorry for my bare feet. Show feet. All right, no feet. I like that. Yeah, boy. At least it was the left eye this time, not the right one. Ouch. I gotta say, it does feel a lot better. Totally worth it. It's got more weight to it. It's got a nice thump. Yeah. So the moral of the story here today, guys, is where there's a will, there's a way. Whatever it is you do, do it. Do it for real. At least try. Now, there's still a lot more that I need to do here, a lot more work to be done, but it's a start, it's a step in the right direction. Sometimes that's all it takes, just one step at a time. That's all you can do. See, still gotta deal with all this. Need to clean up this mess. That's okay, it'd be like that sometimes. It really do. All right, over and out, peace.